Learn how to create this in Canva. Now let's get started. So once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to Video Landscape at the bottom. Okay. Once that's pulled up, you can go to Elements and you can type in dirt bike racing and click on Photos. You can either upload a picture that you want to use, or you can select one of Canva's pictures. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to put it in the left corner and drag it out. Okay. The next thing I want to do is go to Edit at the top. Click on Magic Grab. We're going to click on him. Okay. We're going to grab him. All right. Give it a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once that's done, we're going to go right back to Elements on the left side, and we're going to type in rectangle. Okay. We're going to go to the top, and we're going to change the color to white on the left, and we're going to put it at the top and drag it all the way down. Okay. To the right. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to border style, and we're going to increase it to about 29. Okay. Okay, guys, once that's done, we're going to press stroke color, and we're going to go to the gradient, and we're going to choose this right here. All right. And we're going to decrease this some, so only the turquoise right here will be showing. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to the left, and we're going to click on the style, and we're going to select this one right here. So once that's done, we're going to rotate it some. Okay. To the right. Okay, and just drag it over some. And then we're going to duplicate this and bring it over here. Okay, we're going to right click, click on layer and show in backward. Okay. And drag it over a little bit. Okay. I'm going to drag this one over just a little bit. Then we're going to go back to Elements and type in shadow. Go to graphics. Okay. And we're going to choose this one. Okay, let's just make it a little smaller. And then we're just going to put it underneath his tire. Okay. Next thing, guys, go to apps on the left side. Go to apps. Type gradient right here. Click on it. Open. And then I'm going to write, I'm going to delete this right here. I'm going to type in all uppercase, motor racing. Okay, and I'm going to leave gradient type alone, gradient colors alone. I'm just going to add to the design. And I'm going to drag it over here in the left corner. I'll make it a little smaller. Then I'm going to come to the bottom. I'm going to duplicate the page. And I'm going to move him to the right. Okay. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going to grab this one right here and just drag it over. Okay. Just put it on top of it. All right. All right. Then we're going to drag the word motor racing to the left. And we're just going to leave just a little bit of it. Okay. So once that's done, we're going to decrease it so you can't see make it transparent. And then we're going to go to the bottom, click on the shadow and decrease it to 0 as well. Okay guys, so once it's done, we're gonna put this over here. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're gonna add a transition right here. And we're gonna go to match and move. Okay. And then we're gonna run it to the beginning. We're gonna increase the duration to about 2 and then click play. And that's the final result, guys. So guys, when that's done, you can go to share at the top, click download. You can save it as an MP4 video, download. That's pretty much it, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.